What's up friends, Andrew here, welcome back to another tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create a free private server for Blade Ball in Roblox. All you have to do, guys, is go ahead and find your Blade Ball experience in Roblox. Click on that and you'll be able to see the section here called servers. Click on that section and here you can create a private server. There's also existing servers down here that you can actually join as well. But for your own private server, guess what? Price is absolutely free. Click on create private server right there. Give your server a name. I'm going to call this one, for example, Drew. And then from here, you can just simply click buy now. Don't worry, it's absolutely free. Now you can go ahead and click on customize and you can customize your own Blade Ball private server. And that's pretty much all that you have to do. Once you're done, guys, you will be able to join it. All you have to do is go ahead and find back your experience again, or simply click back. In this case, I'm going to go ahead and find back my experience and I'm going to show you how I'm going to actually join that. So I'm here, then I click on servers and then you see your own private server. Click on that, guys, and you'll be able to join it. Before we jump in, guys, would you mind take a moment to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button, because this will let me know that you found value within this video. And on top of that, the biggest benefit is that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Now let's continue. And you want to just simply go ahead and click on the join button right here where you see it. It's going to open up within your experience right there and you'll be able to actually join. Just simply click on join and that's it. You create a private server, you actually join it, and others can also join that server as well. And others can also join that private server as well. And that's pretty much it, guys. Very easy and very simple. Here you have it, guys. I really hope you found value within this video. And if you do, don't forget to take a moment to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button so that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.